This is your first course that's all about business development. So, whosoever wants to learn business development or business and marketing may enroll in this course. An amazing thing about this course is that this course will be completely free, and along with this course, you will also get a free certificate which will look like this. Here is will be Udemy logo and your course name and your name. This will be the date when you will complete this course, and here is the length, means total duration of the course. And these all the certificates are valid and verified. You can verify them using certificate number or certificate URL. In case you also want to use this certificate for your job interviews, resumes, and in LinkedIn profile, you can upload them very easily and verify them through that link and number. Okay, so to enroll in this courses, the process is very simple. You can see there is a number one, number two, number three. Here the course number is one. So to enroll in this course, what you need to do exactly, you just need to go in the description box. You can find the similar numbers, number one, number two, and number three. So here is the number one. So you need to click over the number one link. That will be a blue colored link in Bitly. So as soon as you click over there, you will get redirected to this page. So you can see this course will be free if you are watching this video on time. So you just have to watch the video on the same day when I'm uploading the video. So to get the videos as soon as possible, you need to subscribe and hit over the bell icon so that you can get all the courses for free of cost. So let me show you how will you get enrolled in this course. As soon as you click over the link and watching the video on the same day, then you can see the course is free. After that, you can do the enroll now button. After that, you have to just log in and sign up. That process is so much easy. You can do login or sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Now, after logging or signing up, you can enroll in this course. And after all this process, your window will look like this. Here on the right hand side, you will see the course content, means all the topics which will going to cover up during this course. You can see here. And if you are facing any doubts, any difficulty to complete this course, here is the Q&A section where you can ask your all the doubts regarding the course. And the most important thing for which you are doing this course is the certificate. So for the certification, what you need to do, firstly you need to complete the course. After that, you can come over this overview section. You need to scroll over there and you will see a section named certificates, and here is a button also, Udemy certificate. So first, as soon as you complete, means watch all the videos, all the content. After that, this button will automatically unlock, and by clicking on this button you can get your certificate which will look like this. Okay, so as I've told you, certificates are will be valid and you can use them anywhere, like your on LinkedIn profile, your resume, for your job purpose, for everything. Okay, so in very short terms, let me tell you one thing, means all the courses on certificates are very useful for you. So please do subscribe and like the video in order to get all the upcoming videos and upcoming courses for free of cost. Let's move towards our second course, which is practice test. But there is a basic difference between a practice test and a course. The difference is that you will not get any certificate in the practice test. But the main thing is that how will you get to know which course is a normal course and which is not a normal course, basically a practice test. Here you can see this course includes the first line is all about tell to you like it is a practice test. So by reading out all the things, you can get verify that you will get certificate in that course or not. So practice tests are basically to check your knowledge. So in order to get checked your knowledge, you can have this practice test also, as these courses are also limited for very few time. Okay, so let's move our next third number course, which is a financial analysis of financial modeling course using MS Excel. So if you are interested in this course, you can enroll in this course also. And let me tell you one thing, if you are missing any course, means if you're watching the video late and here you will see some price like 400, 500, or 1000 rupees, then what you need to do, if you want that course for free, what you need to do, just copy the course name from here and paste it over in comment section and just write over there I missed. So in order to I get to know that you have missed this course, and as soon as this course will be free I will add this course again in the video and I will also notify you. But in case I miss to remember you, I miss to remind you, in that case what you need to do, you just need to watch the videos regularly from 1 to 2 weeks, maximum to maximum 3 weeks, so that you will get the course for free. But to get these courses for free, you need to watch the video on time. And to watch the videos on time, the only solution is you just need to subscribe and press over the bell icon so that you can get the updates regarding the videos. Okay. And if you want only the course content, like all the content is in video lectures form. So if you want only the course content, you can text me over Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, or Facebook groups. All the links you will get in the description box, so you can connect me over there also. Okay, so let's move our fourth number course, which is Alltrex Masterclass, by which you can learn data analytics, ETL, and reporting. Here is a course is 6 hours long. So if you want to know means about the course details, like how long will be the course, so here is the first line, you can check that. And if you don't have a laptop or a computer, you can all do this course in mobile phone also. What you need to do, you can just download a Udemy app from App Store or Play Store. Both are available for free, so you can download the app also in order to complete your course and get this course along with the certificate also. And if you want to know the more details about the course, you can scroll down and you will get to know what you will learn inside this course. What are the requirements, what are the description, what are the course content in this course. You can also know about the instructor, about their rating, feedback, and all the things. And the main thing is that the course is free, so you can getting skill up for free of course. So that's a big thing also. Let's move up to fifth number course, which is Google BigQuery and PostgreSQL. You can learn for business analytics and intelligence purpose. Next course is sixth number course, which is Penthouse. So Penthouse is also a tool for business analytics and data integration. So if you want to learn for this, you can have this course for free of cost. This is complete 9.5 hour course, which you can get for free of cost. But just remember, the course is free only for a few hours. So if you want to really get this course for free, just watch the videos on time. Okay. Next is course is seventh number course, which is all about parenting and relationship. So you can uh, learn about the heartbreaks also. Next course all about your a practice test, which is all about certified ethical hacker, uh, means CEH, which is a real exam. So if you are sitting in that exam, so this course will really going to help you. Next is ninth number course, which is all about machine learning in R. R is a specific programming language. You can learn machine language in there. Next course is WordPress. WordPress is a special tool in which you can learn web development without knowing any coding language. Okay. Next is 11th number course, which is about mindfulness, or you can call it stress management. Okay. So if you want to learn about stress management, you can enroll in this course for free of cost. Next course is all about 12th number course, which is questions means fundamental questions over robotics. Next is a course which is a crash course going to be on CSS and JavaScript. So if you want to learn web development, so you can have this course for free of cost. Next, our 14th number course is RTOS, which is a based on basically engineering purpose. So if you are engineering student, you can enroll in this course for free of cost. Next is our 15th number course, for which you can learn Microsoft Excel basics for free of cost. Next, our 16th number course, in which you will learn machine learning from basics to advanced. Complete machine learning course is for 7 hours course. Next, our 17th number course, which is all about Excel course for especially for business managers. And this course has been free for many times. So I have provided this course for many times. So if you gonna miss this course, just write in the comment box and I will let you know as soon as this course will be free. And don't forget to watch the videos regularly on time. Okay. 18th number course is all about sales management. So if you want to learn about sales, you can enroll in this course. Next is our 19th number course, which is all about home business. So if you want to earn money, means at sitting at home. So here's the course for you. Next are our 20th number course, which is all about affiliate marketing. So if you are interested to learn about affiliate marketing and how the things work in affiliate, so you can learn in this course, which is a 3 hours course. Next is our 21st number course, which is all about partnership accounting. So if you are a commerce student like BCom or MCom student, you must enroll in this kind of courses. 22 number course is for accounting means corporation accounting. You will learn here like financial accounting. You may learn in this course. Next is course is about QuickBooks. QuickBooks is a software which will help in accounting, finance, modeling, reporting, bookkeeping. All these things you can do within this software. So if you want to learn how, then you can enroll in this course. Now, course number 24 is all about advanced financial accounting. So, if you want to learn about advanced financial accounting, which will be a 63 hours course, you can enroll in this course for free of cost. And along with all these courses, you are going to get a free certificate. Now, next course is all about 25th number course, which is a QuickBooks Desktop Complete course. Next course is all about QuickBooks Enterprise 2020 course. Next 27th number course, this is also about QuickBooks, where you will learn about not-for-profit organization, means basically for NGOs. Okay. Next is our 28th number course, where you will learn depreciation calculations and fixed assets. Next, our 29th number course, where is a practice test about Microsoft MTA 98 349. So this is a Windows OS fundamental course, so practice test basically. So if you want to learn about it, means check your knowledge, then you can enroll in this course. And our last course, which is the 30th number course, is work from home, basically online business course. So if you want to run your business online or you are an entrepreneur, then this course will be a very useful course for you. So you can enroll in this course for free. And if you want more courses for free of cost, then don't forget to subscribe and hit over the bell icon. And if you want to talk to me, then you can connect me over WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram group. You can find all the links in the description box also. And so I will gonna meet you tomorrow with more few courses, more few certificates. So till then, tata, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.